are Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures traded just slightly lower this week in consolidation following the previous week where price pushed higher and failed and drifted lower. So you've got the market trading in this sort of range. This up bar is still quite valid. Price is remaining well above its lows. This is the all-time highs here. So the market has effectively broken out and it's in consolidation mode, just seeing how much supply is going to be drawn out and attempting to absorb that supply as it is being drawn out. This is a pretty good job, to be honest, considering the supply that was drawn out last week. You would have expected the market to come back a little more deeply this week and challenge the sellers. Instead, the market's remained right up high in the range and it's done a good job to absorb the supply that has been drawn out in that range. Volume reduced to about average. I would expect you'll probably see a little test for supply early next week below the previous bar's close. And if supply is found to be low, there's a good chance the market will attempt to push higher in response next week and break out to new highs. So look for an early test for supply next week, just below the previous bar's close, which is effectively at 117.5 in here. And if supply is found to be low on a relatively narrow spread pullback, I would expect the market to make an attempt to push higher if trading conditions are at all favourable.